Today, we will talk about not to do for social media growth. Follow these 4 steps not to do and what you should do instead to grow your channel.
First up, don't rely on Instagram stories if you're just starting out. Stories are only visible to your existing followers. If your audience is small, they won't help you grow. Instead, double down on Reels. Reels reach a much wider audience and are perfect for gaining followers.
Oh my god!
Pro tip: Reels are your best friend for growth. Next mistake: posting the same content on every platform. Each social media platform has its own vibe. TikTok is quirky, Instagram is polished, and YouTube Shorts thrive on value packed videos. Instead of copy pasting, tweak your content to match the platform's audience and tone. A little effort goes a long way in making your posts resonate. Another big no-no is copying someone else's style word for word. Inspiration is great, but people crave authenticity. If you're just a clone of someone else, why would anyone follow you? Here's the fix. Be inspired, but add your own twist to make it uniquely yours. Your audience will appreciate your originality. Finally, don't rush to post back to back. Social media platforms prioritize your most recent post, so uploading too soon can kill the momentum of your earlier content. Instead, space your posts out and give each one time to shine. Remember, timing is everything. Social media success isn't just about what you do, it's about what you don't do.
And that's it for today. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.